Learn English prepositions of place in this easy lesson. See how to use in, on, and under to talk about where things are. Perfect for beginners and ESL learners. In. Inside something. Where is the pencil? The pencil is in my pencil pouch. On. Touching and supported by something. Where is the vase? The vase is on the table. At. Specific point or time. Where should we meet? Meet me at the bus stop. Beside, next to or at the side of something. Where is John? John is standing beside the TV. Between, in the middle of two things. Where is the strawberry? The strawberry is between the jars. Among, in the middle of more than two. Where is the strawberry? The strawberry is among the jars. Near, close to or not far. Where is the park? The park is near to my house. Far, at a great distance or not near. Where is the school? The school is far from my house. In front of, ahead of something or someone. Where is the penguin? The penguin is in front of the igloo. Behind, at the back of something. Where is the penguin? The penguin is behind the igloo. Over, on top of or covering or moving across. Did you see the plane? Yes, the plane flew over the city. Above, higher than or over but not touching. Where is the painting? The painting is on the wall above the sofa. Under, directly beneath, often covered. Where is the dog? The dog is under the table. Around, surrounding or on all sides. Where are the ducks? The ducks are standing around the pond. Across, from one side to the other on the surface. Where did he run? He ran across the bridge. Opposite, exactly on the other side or across from. Where is the bank? The bank is opposite the hospital. Through, from one side to the other, passing inside. Where did the lion jump? The lion jumped through the hoop. Into, movement going inside or changing state. Where did she go? She went into that room. Onto, Movement to a surface. Where did the cat jump? The cat jumped onto the box. By. Next to or close to something. Where is the chair? The chair is by the window. Against. In a position or touching or leaning. Where is the ladder? The ladder is against the wall. Along. Following the length or direction. Where did you walk? We walked along the river. Inside. Within the interior. Where are the toys? The toys are inside the box. Next to. Immediately beside. Where is the frog? The frog is next to the dog. To the left, on the left side of something. Where is the dog? The dog is to the left of the box. To the right, on the right side of something. Where is the dog? The dog is to the right of the box. Out of. Moving from the inside to the outside. What did he do? He ran out of the room. In. Inside something. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. In the middle of. At the center, the point that is equally distant from all sides. Where is the ball? The ball is in the middle of the table.